Okay, guys, I want to give you just a little information about how we taking care of certain roofing claims. We are roofers. When roof got the storm-related problem and we need to replace that roof, it's not only roofing job. Sometimes we need to address stains on the ceiling, sometimes drywall, sometimes insulation. In this case, it's just two simple spots right there on the ceiling. We made a little preparation, cut off that paint and ready to patch it with the plastering. And then of course we have to paint the entire ceiling. But what I want to bring your attention for is the fact that look, we have to take all the content from this room first. Then the second thing, we need to put the cardboard to protect the floor, the rim board. We also need to protect the walls from spilling, splashing paint on it. We need to bring this tower scaffolding and see if we don't want to damage the floor. Definitely, you know, it's a job. And you know, the other thing, like if let's say you look over here, and there's a lot of personal things, you know, things that really matter for any homeowner, and we don't want to damage any of them. When let's say we move the furniture or such furniture or couch or whatever, we want to make sure that nothing damaged. You know, we as a roofer don't really have a liability. Our insurance not gonna cover that type of work if we're gonna take it, carry it somewhere else, and then if we damage it, then we're gonna be responsible for that. So technically, you have to call a special moving company who got insurance that covers such things. And what I want to mention, that insurance company usually don't want to pay money that moving company would charge to come here and move the content in one room, and then after we've done the work, come back and put it in the same places. And you know, if they got some problem, if they damage something, the insurance company is supposed to cover it. And guess what? They charge accordingly to the claim. They charge to us, and of course, you know, we have to charge to the claim for all of those things. Scaffolding. You know, the scaffolding, to put the scaffolding over here, there is a special requirements from OSHA, how to put it together, and you need to put your people in a special class to make sure that they do it the way how OSHA want to put that scaffolding together before you gonna do any work on it. How much that would cost? Would it be just $20-$30, how many times we see on insurance estimates, insurance company want to get away with just a few dollars? You need to rent the scaffolding from the company who license and train to make sure all the components correct and safe. They charge a lot of money. Then you need to spend the time to go over there to get that pieces, bring it over here, set it up. You need to have a little safety meeting with your guys to make sure they know how to do the work on the scaffolding. You know, liability everywhere. So, and painting, you know, to catch the color on a paint, sometimes you need to make more than one trip to Home Depot or Lowe's to match the color. Before we going on a site job, we sitting in the office and we discuss a plan of actions. If let's say we start working here at 10 o'clock, means that at 8 o'clock we got together in the office and we went through all the details. We reviewed the pictures, we reviewed the plan of actions, how to protect floor, how to move content, how to build the tower, how to protect walls from paint spill or things like that. So that little stain, if you think that's just a little stain over there on it's less than a square feet, but in reality, even if we just try to match, if we just try to patch that little paint 1 square, all that actions need to be made before we really bring the result. Of course, in this case, we're gonna paint the whole ceiling, but would it be enough just to put 1 coat? Many times homeowners calling, hey, I still see a little lines, it didn't cover all the way completely. Insurance company don't want to pay 2 coats, they want to pay 1 coat, and we ending up to come back to do that work again. Same thing, everything we just done, we have to do 1 more time. So what I want to say, that little stain on the ceiling, how ridiculously it can sound, can cost a lot of money. And most of the times, insurance people want to get away. Just, I did see some ridiculous fee like $3. Sometimes you see on insurance estimate $3 to fix it, or even $300. Who in the world can get that all guarantees, all the furniture, all the flooring, all the safety for $300? We have 2 people over here working today. It'd be probably all day today, and if we still see the ceiling not covered all the way through, we probably have to come back and repeat the same thing tomorrow. So it might be sounds crazy, but this is actually cost us thousands of dollars to take care of that little stain on the ceiling. So that's what I want to share. Think what's really worth for you. If you are a homeowner, you want to settle with your insurance company for a couple $100 and try to do it yourself, or you're too busy and you need to take care your business and you need that somebody else come here and take care that little stains, it will cost money. And of course, it's not your responsibility. If you have insurance policy in place that cover all that accidents like storms, that's what that policy for. They're supposed to cover all the expenses that incur along with that storm damage on the roof or on the ceiling or on the walls, sometimes on the floor. So let us take care of it and trust that we have some heavy expenses, and